Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. In today's video, we'll be checking out how to trade Volatility 75 with a unique forex trading strategy, which I will be sharing with you in this video. So many people have been asking questions on this particular asset, if they can also trade Volatility 75, and of course I will be sharing with you how you can do this. And of course personally, I've also been trading Volatility 75, and of course I'm going to be showing you how I've been doing that and how you too can also take advantage of this particular assets. Okay, so quickly before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to also join the Telegram channel so that we can learn more from what I am doing right here. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we'll be checking out how we can trade Volatility 75 and make some good amount of profit right there. Okay, you can be making up to $8,000 with this strategy. It's so unique. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go about it. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you understand the trend. Okay, like I've always been telling you, all these assets are trend trading assets. If you are within the right trend, then definitely you will make a good profit from there. You just need to follow the strategy. Okay, once the market is on downtrend, you sell alone. Once the market is on buy trend, on uptrend, you buy alone. Okay, and of course because it is in a particular trend does not mean it to just be going in that direction for a very long time. There will always be pullback in between. Okay, this is very, very important. So you need to be able to maintain your stand within the market and understand what you truly want to achieve during this period. Okay, we also I'll know about the support and resistance zone. Okay, the support and resistance zone will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. This is very, very important because you are trading Volatility 75 this time around. Okay, unlike boom and crash that will just be going in one direction, and once in a while it comes out with a very long spiky candles. Okay, but this time around this goes up and up. The movement is up and up and down, up and down, up and down, but more in the direction of the trend than the other direction. Okay, so that is it. So that is how it works. So that is why you need to know your entry point and your exit point, which the support and resistance level will help you to identify. And it is very easy for you to sell from the resistance zone, and also easy for you to buy from the support zone, most especially if those zones were unable, if the market was unable to break out from those zones. Okay, so that is very, very important. Then your lot size will help you to keep the control of the market. Now let's move on to the chart to see how this can work. Okay, so this is Volatility 75, and of course if you should notice, I've been on a trade for a very long time. The downtrend, it was on uptrend before, but this is a resistance zone. The downtrend started around here, so I allowed it to give me an assurance because I wanted to break out from this support zone, which it did, and immediately it did. I entered right here. You can see it sold till it got to this region, pulled back till it got back to my entry point, but still gave me another assurance because I know that it is from the resistance zone, so I know that it will definitely go back in profit. Okay, so since it didn't get to my stop loss, so it went back into profit again. And of course you can see it started trading. You can see it's a very long trade, guys. Check it out. It started selling and selling, just a single order. If I had opened about 5 of this order, I will be earning about $1,000 at the moment, or even more. Okay, if you should notice, my profit is within 199 and 205. Okay, right now it has just come down to to 190 because the market is pulling back at the moment. Okay, at the beginning it was at 205. Okay, so you can see it has gotten to 200 again. So that is the beauty of the indicator. The indicator will help you to know the direction of the market. It helps you to identify the trend of the market, helps you to know when to go in and when to exit the market. Okay, so this has given me the trend of the market, has given me a downtrend right from here, a downtrend right from here. You can see it. This had been on red, and you can see the red arrow. It shows me that I should sell, and this is coming from the resistance zone. Like I said, it has to be from resistance zone if you must sell. Okay, so you can see it is coming from the resistance zone, and it has given me that the market is going on downtrend, and of course it has given me a sell signal. So all I just needed to do is just to obey the signal, and I came in and I started selling right from there. And I had to put all I had to allow the markets to take control of the situation. Even when it was pulling back, I knew that it would definitely sell for a very long time, and it started selling because it has gone into it has overbought before, and it is now coming from the resistance zone since it was unable to break out from there. So it is now coming back from there, and it has been selling since then. I'm supposed to take my profit around there, but because of the video which I am doing, I decided to leave it and we take the profit thereafter. Okay, so this is it because it has been finding it difficult to break out from this support zone. So if it's unable to break out from there, then we may likely have a pullback around there. So this is very, very important. You can imagine, guys, being on the same trade right from here. And if you should notice, I just closed an uptrend trend. That is how I've been milking the market. I buy when the market is going up, and I sell when the market is going down. You can see after closing an uptrend, a buy trade around here, I started I started selling around here, and of course I will be closing another trade around here again. Okay, so this is very, very unique. This is beautiful. Anyone can actually do this. You too can do the same. All you just need to do is just to understand how it works, understand this strategy, understand the 3M trend milker trading indicator, because that is the indicator I am using to do my analysis right here. This indicator helps us to know the direction of the market, and of course it helps us to know our entry point and our exit point, and with that you can easily make some good profit for yourself right from there. That is what I have actually take advantage at this moment. All I just did was, okay, what is the direction, in which direction is the market going? Okay, if it is on downtrend, and is it coming from the resistance zone? Okay, it is coming from the resistance. Am I having a sell signal also to support the trend signal? Okay, if I'm having a sell signal, then and it's coming from the resistance zone, definitely I can go in and trade. And that is what I did right here. It has got into the resistance zone already, and I've started having sell trend signal, downtrend signal rather. I've started having downtrend signal. So all I just need to do is just to wait for the sell signal, and it popped out, and of course I decided to go into it. So I went into it around there, and I've been in the market for that long till now. Okay, so that is one beauty about it, and one beautiful thing about it. Okay, so that is it. It is as easy as that, and this is actually giving me close to $200 at the moment, just a single order. You can now imagine if I'm having a very good lot size, a strong lot size, and I placed about 5 orders around there, that will have given me about 1,000 plus. Okay, that's so amazing, guys. That's so amazing. Okay, what if I'm now having about 10 orders placed around there? That will have given me $2,000 around there. Okay, so this is so beautiful. Okay, I'm not asking you to place multiple order if you don't want to. Like you have seen, I didn't place multiple order, just a single order gave me $200. And of course, if and remember, I just closed one around here. I just closed the buy order around there. Okay, so if I closed one around there, let's say that also gave me $200, and this is also giving me $200. And if I'm doing this every day in a week, that means I will still be having about $1,000 in a week or more. Okay, so it all depends on the market situation. So you can imagine you can make up to $200 plus, or even you can make up to $200 plus if you plan your chart very well, if you plan your trading activities very well, if you truly understand your trading tools very well. Okay, right from here. So this is very easy to do. So what I want you to do right now is to go back to your chart. For those of you having the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, you can apply this the same indicator on your volatility 75 chart. You can start from your demo account first and try to practice with it. Okay, once you are able to get it right, then definitely you can now move on to your real account and do it gradually until you are able to perfect your trading trading activities, so that you can be going for a very long time. Okay, so that is how it works. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.